chere gudu mibe asari mmiri sanyo ije mmiri bijuru ije nko bijobu anyị chere gudu mibe asari mmiri sanyo ije mmiri bijuru ije nko bijobu anyị chere gudu mibe. Igbo foot, I must greet you today. Anyị jere bulu mwibe, asari mmiri sanyo, ije mmiri bijuru.
Umiwe kwenu? Yeah. Umiwe kwenu? Yeah. Kwenu.
Igwe, you're welcome.
Today is a very joyous day. A day of celebration in Ugebe, as it happens once every year in our land according to the traditions of our people. I will unveil my new concubine. What a beauty! The gods have really blessed me with a beautiful maiden. Right. Isn't she beautiful? She is. Welcome to Ugebe. Welcome to the palace of the king of Ugebe. The gods of our land have blessed me with this beautiful maiden, in line with traditions of our land. Yes. My people, I will now go in with my new concubine and taste the goodness that the gods have given to me. And I know that as beautiful as she is, that she will be fruitful. And she will blossom, just like our land will blossom. We shall have children, and our children will not die. The gods will bless us with rain, and the sun will favor us. Our children will never be sick, and they will grow to train their fathers. Enemies will never smite them. I will go in and have a taste of what the gods have favored me with.
Mama!
Yes,
Mother!
Yes.
For how long will this go on? For how long?
What? I don't think you love my father. Because if you do, I don't see you allowing those cheap maidens to always have him. I mean, how will you allow that to keep happening? All in the name of tradition and making them a freeborn. How do you feel being an option to him? Son, I mean, it's crazy.
Son, this is your father. We can't change him.
I can. Mama, we can. I'm nothing like my father. Mother, I believe in love. I believe in true love.
Oh, I see a new dawn where love and women will be recognized. It's okay, sir. It's okay.
I am still wondering why Igwe Okuta is using concubines to celebrate Ichi.
How do you mean?
Ichi festival is a sacred practice and must be done the right way. You know, we normally use it to usher in new farm season, and not the other way around.
Are you going to challenge the authority of Igwe? This is not the first time or the second time. He has been doing it.
I am not trying to oppose the Igwe. But the way he is using concubines to celebrate each year's festival baffles me. People ought to know the tradition, and then it should be done the right way. It gives me concern.
Ichiobe, I will give it a thought. Let me go home first.
Okay.
Catch you for me.
Catch you for me.
I wish I was the one the king chose to warm his bed for this year.
Hey! Your taste is out of this world though. Your mates are there eyeing the prince and you're here dreaming about the king.
The older, the better. Huh?
No. Their opportunity is meant for the less privileged, for them to be recognized. At least with this, Chinasa and her family will be recognized and be accorded with some respect.
Who is talking about class here? I'm only imagining what it will look like. Resting on his chest, listening to Igwe's heartbeat. Oh, how I have fallen for him.
Soon, the prince will be mine.
Welcome, daydreamer.
This is where you guys are and I've been looking for you. What have I done? Asama, is it my fault that my parents died? Why all this discrimination? Why?
Why are you behaving like this? She's our friend. She's your friend, not my friend anymore. I have a plan of doing royalty soon. So, I don't have time for classless people like her. Let's go and fetch water.
It is said that when the sleep is enjoyable, we snore. Unity is strength. Ugebe. What is the problem? Who is provoking you?
Papa, is you Assam man Obiago?
Assam man. What do they do this time?
They avoid me as if I am inflicted with an incurable disease. Just because I'm an orphan and I belong to the slave class.
You are not an orphan. Is it that Assam man? They avoid you. Is that why you are murmuring like a mad woman? Are you telling me that you cannot stand the midst of your peer group and fight for yourself?
But Papa, I'm trying. It seems that the mockery is too much.
I'm trying. The mockery is too much. Now listen to me. You don't belong to the slave class. You belong to the elite class. That is where I belong. And you are part of my family. So now, do away with whatever they call you. You are what you are. What you call yourself is what you are. Yeah. Just drop that very water and look for something for me to eat. Call me because I'm a slave. If you're a slave, they look somebody like you and call you a slave. It's your Konya. No, let us wait. You are bringing the.
That's why you invited me.
No. We have a lot to talk. I hope your mother added enough for Tazi leave she granted for me the other time.
Yes, Papa.
Okay, you can now go.
Thank you.
Your daughter has turned into a beautiful maiden.
You look too much.
Afu going to give me.
Okay.
What do you say that chawa?
See, let us. Oh no.
Yes.
Something has been bothering me, of which that has been giving me a sleepless night for some time now.
Emana, ndeba isi na okokowa mmadu choro onye ga-akwu ya. Na okokowa enwe jibe n'osisi. I'm listening. What could that be?
It's my daughter Omelebere.
What about?
You know, honestly, she's not being favored in this community because of her background.
What do you intend to do about that?
Oh no. I cannot allow her marry from a poor background because of the mockery she gets from her peer groups. Honestly, my friend, how do I handle this? I mean, how do I change her status in this village? How do I change her status in this village?
Marry her.
What?
Marry her.
My own daughter?
Mazi Akancha, we all know that she's not your biological daughter. And she's not related to you in any way.
Even at that, I still see her as my own daughter. Since her parents died working in my farm. Then take her as my own flesh and blood.
Then treat her the way you treat your daughters, if you truly see her so.
That is what I've been doing. But my wife wouldn't allow me. Even the other time she accused me of having carnal knowledge of her, of which that has increased her suffering from the hands of my wife. I decided on my own to exonerate myself from their issues. But that doesn't stop me from rendering the help I know I can.
Oh my. I have an idea.
Idea?
Yes. Why don't you make her the next Ichi Medi? Yes. That will make people start according her the respect she deserves.
But you made a point. But Ichi Medi.
You can't do that. You can't.
What is it? What are you doing here? I thought I've warned you not to come close to me again. Before I see my Omerebe is seducing the prince.
Calm down now. I'm not your enemy. Hey, we have been friends since childhood. Remember? I don't understand this your new hostile attitude.
I am not saying you are my enemy. I don't just want you around me anymore. Please.
But why? Why, Omerebe?
I am a slave. And a common slave like me cannot be seen around the prince.
Please. Say so. Say so.
You're not a slave.
You are my bosom friend. Don't listen to what they have to say. You are my life. Maybe you are my happiness. You are just all...
Enough! Enough! It is easy to say, but heart to heart. Please, just stay away from me.
How do I tell her that I miss her? Please excuse us, maidens.
Yes, my friend.
Mama, how was your night?
Fine.
Wait a minute. You're hiding your face from me. Mama, see your prince. Oh, come on. Don't tell me you've been crying all night because of this irresponsible father that I have. What kind of a lifestyle is he living?
Shh. Ikem, please. Lower your voice.
No, Mama. I'm going to go into his chamber and stop him now.
Ikem, come back here.
I need to stop this man.
Stop it.
Stop what? Stop it right now. He can't keep having fun at the detriment of the clothes. Stop it. What is that? Why can't he control his libido?
Ikem, please.
Mama, let me go and address this man.
Ikem, please. Don't. Please.
Father!
Father! Stop him from coming.
Father.
The king doesn't want to see anyone. He's busy.
That's all? Okay. I'll deliver my message from her, Your Highness.
Son, why don't you just let me enjoy myself?
Did I hear you say enjoy yourself?
What happened to having that fun with the woman that gave you the place?
I have no issues with your mother, son. Don't bring her into this.
Well,
I'm just obeying tradition.
Well, so that you know, one day I'll be that king, and all this wicked tradition will and must be abolished.
Oh, well, wait for that time when you become king. But I'm sure you will be like me.
Never, Papa. I will never be like you. I love those that love me, and I respect them a lot.
Come on. Hey, feel free. Come on.
Bia. Omebere or is it Omerenjo? Who finished this food in this house? I'm the one. But that was my own share of the food. Your own what? Your own share of the food. Make me tell you your own share of the food. Look at this thing, this slave. Are you supposed to have a share in this house? Are you supposed to have a share? Oh, you don't know that slaves eat the scrub that fell off their master's table. Are you supposed to have food? Look at this poor thing. Even you. You have joined the villagers in calling me a slave. You. I'm just like your sister. Who is your sister? Do we look alike? Do I look like you? Look at yourself. Just look at yourself. Look at yourself and look at Egoi Bozulez. Eh? Do we look alike? Let me tell you, she can never be my sister. I can never be a sister to a slave. A fool. Hey! Thief on your shit. Yeah, sister, yeah. Don't ever eat food in this house. You're not supposed to eat in this house. Don't you ever touch my mother's pot. Make sure you get me something to eat.
Or don't you not have the same power just like the prince?
Chikeze, I hope you're not referring to me. Makarakanti.
How dare you? Maiden, talk to me in this manner. Are you mad? Do you want to send my guys to beat you up? Hey, why did they beat you? Don't you send them to flog you?
Snogging. Have a prince. You are not. And here you are parading yourself as the prince. Chikeze, let me advise you. You see these fools following you around? Release them. Release them, let them go and look for something better to do with their lives.
It's okay. No. Allow her. Let me tell you. Do you know why I will spare you today? Because I'm in a good mood. Only because I like you, I admire you so much. But let me tell you. Let me tell you. Next time you try this, I will deal with you personally.
And the next time you stop me, you won't like what I will do to you. Van. Why do I keep bumping into the Bottas family? What have I done to them?
Oh, Mary, stop hiding. I have already seen you.
What do you want?
I want your friendship.
I don't have.
What do you mean you don't have?
Leave my way. Leave my way.
I'm coming after you. You're running.
What is it? What is it? Do you want to kill yourself? Huh? Do you want to kill yourself?
Mama, allow me to strangle myself with food.
Mpano, I will not watch you kill yourself. No.
Mama, allow me to kill myself. What am I living for, Kwanu? What?
What is it again, my daughter? What is it?
Is it not a Goibo? Asama and Obiago? They refer to me as a slave just because my parents are dead and my foster family are maltreating me.
Is that all? Is that why you want to end your life so sudden? Is that it?
Mama Nuku, is it not enough for me to kill myself? Is it not? Is it enough?
My daughter, it is okay. Now listen to what I'm about to tell you. And I want you to do as I say. Don't you ever in your life try to kill yourself because they tagged you a slave. The future holds a lot for you. Don't ever give up in life. Do you hear me, my daughter? Do you hear me?
Yes, Mama.
Good. Now, eat your food. Gradually. Eat. It's okay, my daughter.
Omerebere! Nwajo! Omerebere!
Where did she go to? There's no drop of water in this house.
Ego Ibo! Aboma!
Mama! Mama! Where is your sister? Mama, she went out with her friends.
Where is that stupid girl?
Who are you talking about, Mama?
Omerebere, of course!
You mean Omerebere?
Is there any other stupid, any other slave in this house?
Mama, I don't know where she went to. I've not seen her since morning. Maybe she's in the bush with one of these village boys.
Let her come back to this house. I will teach her a lesson. Mama, go and get me my food.
Okay.
Let me ask this young man what he wants from me. What do you want from me? Why are you following me around? Chekwa, are you stalking me?
I am not stalking you, Omerebere.
So?
And I'm not following you around. I'm here to see you, Neoku. What is wrong with this girl? She will stop amusing me.
Man, I don't like what you're doing lately.
What is it, my son?
You seem to be favoring Omerebere more these days. You just call her and you give her all the gifts and you spoil her with goodies as if you have forgotten about me.
My son, you know that is not true. But both of you used to come here before together. What happened? Do you have any issue with her?
Look, I can't really tell what is wrong with her lately. She avoids me. She runs away at the slightest instance. I don't know.
Did you, Anaya? If you did you ask her what the problem is?
I tried talking to her, but she said we are world apart, that her slave self cannot be with a prince. I don't understand that.
But both of you have been friends from childhood. So what is this mindset?
No, that's the problem. I don't know why Omerebere would want to shock me this way. She's hurting me. I'm hurt. I don't know why she's treating me this way. She's hurting me.
It's okay, my son. I will talk to her. Yes, I will talk to her. You know, go?
Thank you, Nne.
It's okay.
Thank you. Your Highness, I come in peace.
Come right in.
Thank you.
What is it? Ikem Ozo Opota.
Your Highness, I actually came to ask a question. Please don't be offended. It's barely born out of curiosity, genuine curiosity.
Well, if the curiosity won't kill the cat, just sit.
Thank you, Your Highness. So, go ahead. I want to know, why did you marry the Queen? Since you knew one woman would not satisfy you. Maybe you will have married all the maidens you use and dump. Maybe there are plenty number or multiplied numbers could give you the desired respect and dignity.
Has anyone ever disrespected me before you? Don't you know marrying all those maidens will fill up this palace? Don't you know that women are like troubles? They need to be tamed.
This way? By toiling with their feelings?
No. By making them understand that they can be replaced anytime and any day. That will make them more submissive.
No, Your Highness. I think you're covering your insatiable urge for these maidens.
Watch your tongue, son. When a child leads his father in public, his scrotum is likely to blind him. Watch what you say to me. I am the king.
I'm sorry, Your Highness. Your Highness. Sincerely, I'm sorry, Your Highness. But what you're doing to these maidens is not fair.
Enough! Get out of my presence.
I'll go, Your Highness.
I am delighted to be in the presence.
Exactly.
My prince.
I have fallen for you. Truth is, I think about you all the time. You're my life, the air I breathe. My love for you burns like the furnace. My friends, I just want to feel the warmth of your body.
I see. You have truly fallen for me.
I know I will have better luck next time.
Stop. Can't you greet me properly? Can't you bow before me? Don't you know I'm equally the prince? And I can take over the throne if anything happens to the prince.
And who are you to wish the prince evil?
Who are you to ask me that question? What right do you have?
And who gave you the right to refer to yourself as a prince? See, Chikeze, you are not a prince. And you will never be a prince. So stop parading yourself as one. Even the gods do not recognize you as one. Let's go. What gave you the guts? Just look at the way you challenged him. Even with your status in the society, you did not allow Chikeze to intimidate you. Hey, you see that useless boy? He's been stepping on my toes. And I don't see any reason he should be wishing the prince evil. I know he likes you. That's the reason why he likes provoking you anywhere he sees you. Who cares? Who cares? See, if I see him anywhere and he tries to stop me, I'll give it to him. I don't want him. But I like him. It's just that I dislike his personality. Babe, I'm just being honest. Tell me you're walking fast. Look for me now.
Mary, what is the problem? Are you having any issue with the prince? I am talking to you, Mary. What has he done to you?
Nne, I don't like him anymore. In fact, I don't want him anymore. I just want to be by myself.
But both of you have been friends for childhood. What has changed?
Nne, you will not understand. All the maidens in this village have their eyes on him. And me, I don't have strength to fight though. Before someone will come and remind me of my poor status.
Is that all? My daughter, you have to be strong. For you are a child of prophecy.
What do you mean by that?
My daughter, time will tell. Be strong. Just be strong.
They would devour on over. I said anything that they will kill you. Where are you coming from? Oh, Mary, I said, where are you coming from? Ajonwa, you will not kill me the way you killed your parents. Before you do that, I'll make sure I roast you and dry you, evil child. But, so you can manage your cocoa. You still have the mouth to talk. Eh? I'll kill him this time. I'll kill him this time. Mama, kill her. What have I done? What? Oh, baby, you're a slave girl. And a slave you will continue to be. You can't give up on yourself. I will not give up on myself. They will pay for making me cry. They will pay.
Who is provoking my woman?
Ikem, what is it?
Omeribere, you know I'm a peaceful man. I come in peace.
Stay away from me. I don't want your friendship. Because it will cause me more pain.
No. I don't know about pain. I know about love. I know about kindness. Omeribere, stop pushing me away. Please stop. You've always been my bosom friend. Omeribere, why are you avoiding me?
Because I don't want problem. all the maidens in this village are interested in you, they'll roast me alive if they see us together. A common slave like me, with the prince. Huh.
No, come on. Not me. Not my type. You're my queen. You're my friend. You're my desire. I don't know. How? Please, stay with me. Stand by me, Mary.
You see, when I become the princess wife, I will no longer walk with my legs. I must employ someone who will help me round the village. Look at this one. Who will carry you? Don't you know that you have weight? Besides, you have to keep praying. Because there are so many maidens in this village who are interested in Prince Ike. Who are those? Listen, I am Ego Yibo. Ego Marama. Ego Mamuke. The most beautiful maiden in this kingdom. Watch and see how I will do the magic and make the prince fall for me. The prince must marry me. As for me, I am only interested in Chikeze because he is mine. Hey, my sister. I don't want any other person. Let's finish the prince. My princess, Mama Nemo. The gods of our land will grant you girls your wishes. Both of you will get married into the royal household. How would that be possible in my own case? You know, I really love Prince Ike. And you know also that I will make a good queen for everyone.
Yes, Mama. You and Papa needs to help us.
Are you doubting your mother again? So you don't know what I can do?
No, Mama. But
not in my daughters. Your father and I will make sure that whatever you wish, you will get it. Hey, Nemidia.
I trust
Nemidia. We should be fast. I'm very hungry. Don't worry, You see this one? I'll make it myself. I
will surprise you with this dish.
No, I'm about to make the food myself. Don't worry. I will do this. Then I'll be cooking for chicken. I think the prince has his eyes on me.
Yes, so
my sister, the way he was staring at me the other day, like one who met his utmost desire.
Someone is lying here.
Hey! This one. Who told you? Pico. Listen, I am serious. This is not a lie. If we should continue dreaming, already I know the prince's intention. Which is? On your phone? Me, of course.
Your father has to own a large barn, like my father, before he can stand a chance of being the Igwe's in-law.
See who is talking. If it's by search, our father owns the largest barn and found one in the kingdom. So, we stand the chance of becoming the Igwe's daughter.
Just the two of us.
For you. Let's see who the prince we choose. Let's see who the prince we choose. Leke. My sister, let's ready. I'm sure you come to the palace to serve the food. Let's see who the prince we choose. Look at this one. Leke. Put it on me. Let's go, look at how beautiful you are looking. Look at the way. My sister, please go. I need to
Let me catch on that one I learned.
Oh, you did it. Oh, no, Massa. I'm not going to go up in Anchety. Obiago, you cannot give a banana water to me.
Is what dinner, no man? Well, okay, I don't get money. Look at Mama. And now let's go inside so that you give me. You make me happy. You make me a young man. That will not be a problem. Nani, I want to ask for a favor. I know. Tell me. What is it? It's about our daughters.
Our daughters?
Yes.
What about them?
Dimoma, it won't be a bad idea if you use your power as one of the richest men in this village to see that our daughters are being married into the royal family, considering your relationship with Igwe.
It's not a bad idea, but who will marry them there?
Nani, the prince and Chikezie.
But I can't choose a wife for them.
But you can influence Igwe and Onobu's decision on who to choose. Just imagine the respect and the popularity that comes with it. Check in here.
Okay, yeah? Nice idea. I will see what I can do. But I'm not giving you assurance that I can do anything like that.
Everybody, I'm not going to do anything. Everybody,
I'm not going to do anything. That was a gig. I'm not going to do anything.
Why is everyone in this village so concerned about class, riches, the numbers of land and barns one has? Why is there so much discrimination between the poor and the rich?
I don't know why my father encourages that. But once I become the king, I will put a stop to all that rubbish.
What if you turn out to be like him? You know they say power intoxicates.
Sit down. Sit with me. Sit with me. I am not like my father. My name is Ikem Delim. I am not him. And when I become the king, you shall be my queen. You will direct my paths.
You're kidding.
No. I am serious.
Please.
What is it?
We shouldn't be staying together. I have to start going.
Why? Are you not proud of me?
No. Not that. Just like I said, I don't want a problem.
What?
Please. If we must have this relationship, I want it to be sacred. Please.
Why on this condition? Why?
Please, I have to go. Please.
No, wait.
I'm no longer comfortable here.
Wait. Talk to me. Talk to me. Wait.
Wait, please.
What is this? Why?
My heart will follow you. My life is worthless without your love. Oh, I will swim the deepest river, climb the highest mountain.
Oh no! My bosom friend.
I can't have an iron.
What of your son, Chikezie?
Chikezie is fine. Any problem?
No problem as such. Anyway, you know, it is said that a toad does not run in daytime for just no cause. If the toad is not pursuing something, something is definitely pursuing the toad. Okay? And the other way too, it is said that knowledge is incomplete without putting the knowledge into practice. Okay? Oh no.
I can't have an eye.
2 heads are better than 1.
2 good heads.
2 better heads, not even good, 2 better heads. Okay, that game. My friend, I called you here today because I believe you are the right person to talk to. We've been friends since childhood, of which I would like us to continue with that friendship by extending it to our generations to come.
Kancha, you see, it just now you nobody again. I say don't get where you're heading to. Tiwanya bako ibonsube.
It is time for our children to get married.
I can't have an eye. Your idea is not a bad one. But I want to let you know this, that you can take a horse to the river, but you cannot force the horse to drink water.
And that's true.
I don't think I can choose a bride for my son, Chikezi.
I know that you can't choose a bride for your son, but you can influence his decision in searching for a bride. I've got the name.
You have a point there. But I don't want us to start celebrating now.
Yeah.
Because so let's keep praying to the gods that I will be able to convince him. But I will do my best.
And now you understand what I'm talking about.
I will do my best.
Our relationship will never die.
It must continue.
It will continue from generation to generation.
It gives me joy knowing that you are mine.
Really? Your food is delicious. I'm enjoying it.
Now, enjoy your well-prepared meal. Eat up. Eat up.
Mama, what are you doing here?
I brought food.
Drop it here. I said drop it here and go.
Didn't you hear him? Drop it and go now. Go.
Drop it here and go now.
Didn't you hear him? Go now. Drop it.
Drop the food.
Don't allow this. Hey, what? Eat up. Don't allow this for you, yeah? She enjoying it. Yes, eat up. Ego. Chikeze humiliated me. Because of Asama. Hey! Because of Asama contending mad. Who is that girl? You mean he humiliated you because of that good-for-nothing girl? That is not even... What did she go to his house to do? That is not the problem. The problem now is, I am so sure she will not allow Chikeze eat my food. Hey, but you made a mistake. If I were you, I wouldn't have left the house. What would I have done? Chikeze almost threw me out of his house. See, you have to be very, very careful. You just have to be very careful. Do not allow that good-for-nothing girl take your man from you. Don't! You have to do something. In fact, let me go to Chikeze's house. Come back here. Don't try to. It is unwise if you go back to that house. Because he might humiliate you the more. Don't try it. Don't worry. I need to teach that girl a lesson. She insulted me. I need to teach her a very serious lesson. Lesson? I have a plan. So you think she can humiliate my sister before Chikeze? Right? Look at this thing. Hey! before I close my eyes and open it. Both of you, get out from here. Look what teacher. She's still talking. Come back here. Where do you think you're going? Eh? You think
Nwunye di ezigbo njọ. Nwunye di ezigbo njọ. Ngara kuru mmiri ga-enye nwa. Ngara kuru mmiri ga-enye nwa.
Enine.
Eke maka kuru gị. Nwunye di ezigbo njọ. Nwunye di ezigbo wicked.
What? Come back here. Wait. Wait. What is it? Chicken, this is what you do. Chicken, say what is it? This is what you do, Chicken. Chicken, say. You now call me by my name? Have you forgotten I'm the prince? Where's my foot? Where's my foot, Chicken? Do you have respect for yourself? Answer me. Do you have respect for yourself? When you brought a maid slave into this place to devour her, get out here. She's not a slave. She is my woman. You lie! Impossible! Chicken. I have eyes on her too. And there's nothing you or anybody can do to take her away from me. What? Yes, Chikese. If I see you anywhere near that maiden, God knows that I will bury you alive. There's nothing you can do. You dare not. Okay. Dear me. We shall know who is the prince in this kingdom.
Ugebe, you see, I've been wondering lately. You're fond of saying Oga Barunu.
Anytime your appear is right, anytime it is done, right. Who is the kingmaker? When is your turn to become king? I hope all is well.
All is very, very well.
Igwe. Greetings, my elder. Igwe. Greetings, my elders.
Walk around. Walk around. Now you can go back home.
Okay,
Hey.
Akancha, what is the meaning of this?
I'm only trying to sample my wares since the market is too far from us.
You're a very funny man. Anyway, the wares you brought to the market are actually beautiful. I wish I were younger. I would have been your very good customer.
You can say that again, Igwe. But you know, we have vibrant young men in this community. They are meant for them. Yes, of course.
I can't tell you.
Well, we had an order for the meeting for today. So we'll go back to it.
Stop there. So because we came had interest in you, that's why you have got so much wings, You know, Connie.
That's a lie.
No problem. I will tell the hope I'm lying.
I have no business with the prince.
Oh, you caught Chikeze a liar. I'm a liar now. No problem. I will tell the whole villagers the kind of person you are. I will tell them you're the one seducing the prince.
Chikeze, stop. What have I done to you? What have I done to deserve such accusation?
Oh, you don't know what you have done. I will tell you. If you allow me to have time with you, just allow me to have a good time with you, you are safe. That is all.
A good time?
Yes.
How do you mean?
A good time I'm talking about. You just allow me to have a taste of your honey pot. That's all. I will be your Amon shade.
May the gods forbid. I'd rather go out and face the villagers than to allow you, Chikeze, near me.
Huh?
Nonsense.
Oh, you think Prince can save you? Prince cannot save you. Prince cannot save you. Let's see who owns this village. Nonsense.
Ego. Hey, what took you so long?
I stopped by to see Chikeze. Do you know what happened? I overheard him telling someone that he saw Omeribere discussing with Prince Ike. What? That girl is evil and should be treated as such. I wonder what the prince is doing with a slave girl.
What is she doing with
my prince? I will not allow this. I will not take this from Omeribere. Our mother must hear this. I can't wait to tell her when she gets back.
Omeribere! Omeribere!
Calm down.
You see that idiot? She will come back and meet me in this house.
Calm down.
I will so deal with her. See, this house will not accommodate us.
I'm going inside, eh? Then you go and eat something, okay?
Omeribere, don't worry. She come and meet me. Come back in this house and meet me today. We are discussing with the prince, eh?
Chikeze, how many times did I call you? You better leave that girl alone. You better stop tormenting that poor maiden. Okay? I'm warning for the last time.
And if I don't, what will you do? Kill me?
You are daring me. I see you're daring me. But I'm here to give you your last warning.
Maybe I will tell your father what you're doing with her. A slave. A contaminated blood. Then
the contaminated blood. The same contaminated blood that you crave so stupidly. You think I don't know? Listen to me. She only has a circumstantial problem. She's just circumstantial. It could be anybody. She's from a noble home.
That is why I want to give her a better life. You should be happy. I want to give her a better life. Or do you want me to allow your father to do that for you? Do you want me to allow? Hey, stop! 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 Do you want to kill yourselves? Huh? Can you imagine?
What is the problem? What is the problem? Ask your son. Ask him.
Ask me. You see? That means you're not proud of her. If you know you're proud of her, tell my father what you're doing with her. Tell my father.
A woman. Oh, both of you are fighting over a woman. How can a grown man like you be fighting over a woman? Huh? When we have beautiful women in this. By the way, who is this woman?
Thank you. When we have beautiful women in this kingdom. Huh?
Who is this woman? I want to know. I am warning you. Please warn him for me. Papa, warn him. This is your last warning. Chikeze. He's your friend. Huh? I don't understand why the two of you will be fighting over a particular maiden. Why you have beautiful ladies in this village.
Thank you.
Now let me wait. Will you shut up there? Now let me suggest to you, Mazi Akancha's daughters, they are paragon of beauty. I mean, they are marriageable. They will make good wives. Oh no, please suggest them to your son. I have made a choice. Just want him to back off. Who you want to marry? A contaminated blood. It's all right. Shut up! It's okay. My regards to your father. No, but do you know I want to change this right now? What do you think about what I've just said now? About Ichi Akancha's daughter? Baba.
Ego, please, I'm so sorry. It's not what you think. He was only asking me a question. Please.
Chiponuge, will you shut your mouth? So, I am not sure of what I saw. Am I a child? Oh, is it because I allow you to sit close to me? Now you have the guts to talk to me. Look at this slave. My mother must hear this. This is the end of you in this house. My mother must hear this.
Please, don't tell your mother. I promise it won't happen again. Please, I'm sorry.
Don't you dare touch me! Oh, because I allow you to sit with me? My mother must hear this. Mother!
Please.
Mother! Mother! What is it? Mother, just look at this good-for-nothing slave. She had the guts to stand with my prince. No, shut up, let me hear my daughter. What? Prince Ike, my own prince. Mama, it's not true. She was only asking me a question. I'll kill you today. Leave Prince Ike alone.
Sinobi kalili fenine ifonanya silike
Greetings, my friends.
Ugebe, what are you doing here?
I am sorry, my prince. But you see, with the connection of our hearts, I feel your presence at all time. And with that, I can easily locate wherever you are, my prince. My prince.
You are a beautiful maiden.
I know.
But our hearts are not connected in any way. I don't feel anything for you. My heart belongs to someone else.
Who could that be? Who?
It's none of your business to know who. Now, if you don't mind, would you excuse me?
My heart beats for you and you alone. Just look at me.
I'm sorry. My heart doesn't beat for you. And since you don't want to leave, I'll leave you here.
My prince, please don't do this to me. My prince!
Omebere. Wait. Where are you going?
Wait, Omebere. Omebere. Wait for me.
You know you are the apple of my eye. No matter.
I don't feel anything for you. My heart belongs to someone else.
When did you come back? Oh, Guinea.
The priest told me to my face that his heart does not beat for me. He said his heart beats for someone else.
You mean he said that to you?
I asked him who the person is, but he never mentioned. He said I do not need to know. And he walked out on me.
Yeah. Who do you think his heart beats for?
I have no idea. No.
Then we need to find out.
He walked out on me.
It's okay.
This is just too much. I don't care who his heart beats for. But the prince is mine. I can't lose him.
Greetings, my king.
Greetings, my child. Who are you?
I'm Ugebe, late Ishewu's daughter.
Ishewu. Your parents have no name in this village. Who is your guardian?
Nazi Akancha.
Oh, Akancha. You work for him as a slave girl?
Oh, sorry to interrupt you, Your Highness.
Ikem.
Your Highness.
Where are you coming from and what is chasing you?
I was trying to catch up with my friend here.
Your friend?
My king.
Is she your friend?
My king. I only know him as the prince of this land. I have nothing with him. I'm not his friend.
Oh. Don't mind my son, the prince. He's a social type and likes to mingle with everybody, even those without class. That's okay. You can get up and run along.
Thank you, my king.
Quickly. Well, son. Be careful. And see you in the palace.
Right, Your Highness.
That was a golden opportunity for me to introduce you to my father. And you just messed it up.
With whose permission? Do you want them to bully and ridicule me for ever seeing me with the prince? Listen, we don't belong to the same class. I don't want trouble, please.
Look at you. You're so beautiful.
Thank you.
Yeah. That's why I can't get you off my mind. I don't want anyone coming close to you. I don't want anybody taking you away from me.
But you're the prince of Ugebe. You can't be seen with a commoner like me. You should associate yourself with people of big class. Not a nobody like me.
I am different. Do you see me moving around with bodyguards? I don't do it. I'm a simple man.
Okay, but please, can you still keep our friendship a secret? Please.
If you say so.
Thank you.
You belong to me.
Your Highness,
You called me?
Yes, sit. The young maiden I saw you with yesterday, what is your relationship with her?
No relationship. She's just an ordinary maiden. Why did you ask?
Well, just making sure you're on the safe side. The prince should not be mingling with slaves.
I hope it's not what I have on my mind.
And what are you thinking in your mind?
Trying to convert her into one of your unfortunate concubines.
To the best of my knowledge, I know my son hates our tradition. So why are you suddenly interested in paying attention to who I choose as a concubine and who I do not choose?
Even at that, I speak for my poor mother. I mean, why don't you show her love as your queen? Why don't you love her?
Listen, son. Your mother, the queen, has everything she wants as a queen. She's not complaining.
No! She is! See, because you're not paying her attention, you don't know. She cries. She cries every time she sees you with a new concubine. She cries red. I see her cry. Yet she can't say anything because it's tradition. Tradition says she should shut up and listen to the king. What a wicked tradition.
Well, son, of what use are you? She has you to be by her side. Or?
No, she has you to be her man. I can't play your role, father.
Enough. Enough, son. I don't want to talk about this again. I want to be alone. Now.
I pray that nothing separates you.
I can't even imagine that happening.
You, what is your stubbornness? I just want away from you.
I will use it to keep you close to me.
Really?
You're going nowhere. I will protect you with it.
God. This union is sealed where it is sealed.
Mama, stop flattering us. I know challenges will come very soon. I'm really very scared of these times.
Me too.
The prophecy will be fulfilled.
Which prophecy?
I greet you all. Welcome to the palace again.
Thank you. The female toad always says that the reason she carries her husband at the back is because husband is sweet. And you know that the goat that dies in the barn did not die out of hunger. Because there's plenty of food in the barn. So something else must have killed them. The reason I called you together is to let you know that I have found a new flower. Huh? Yes, and I must water it so that it will blossom as tradition demands.
Anyway, this is good news. Another celebration. A new dawn for our maidens.
You will live long for using this medium to bridge the gap between the poor and the rich in this village. You will live long.
People say when sleeping becomes enjoyable, we snore.
I'm totally behind you.
Thank you. DJ Academy. My prayer is that you will also live long and blossom.
My prince, what is it?
I don't know what the future holds for us.
I have the feeling that things will go wrong.
It will not be easy. Omereberechi, I want to promise you that I will always stand by you, no matter what.
And I promise I won't run away from you again. You have proven to be my shell in shining armor. I love you.
Really? You love me? Gods of our land. She loves me. Oh my God, I love you too.
Long live the king.
How are you doing, my son?
I'm fine, Your Highness.
Doesn't show on your face.
Wow. The goat owner cannot be sleeping while the goat delivers with a rope tied round its neck.
That's an old proverb. What do you want, son?
When a man refuses to speak out, you blame it on the mouth. But when a man refuses to listen, you blame it on the ears.
Cut out this parable, son, and just go straight to the point.
Your Highness, I came to plead with you to please not choose Omerebere as your next concubine.
I'm sorry, it's too late, son.
No.
I can't reverse it. Why are you even interested? Omerebere is a slave. I mean, and even if you are interested in her, she's not your match. She has to be cleansed first.
Then let me cleanse her, Your Highness. Let me be the one to cleanse her.
You're not in a position to do so. Moreover, you already denied her and she denied you too. The only people who can do the cleansing are the Igbitiers, the Igwe and the Ezemo. We're not ordained to do that.
Then abolish the act. You are the king. You can abolish it. You can let it go. Nobody's going to touch my woman. No.
She is not your woman. And it's too late, son. We can't reverse it. There is nothing anyone can do about it. Because you already denied her and she denied you. So listen and listen carefully. She is not your woman. Leave my presence.
Papa. Papa!
What effrontery! You should wait to become the king before you have such powers.
Father, you can do it for me. You are the king. I believe you.
You have work to do at the back.
Lost. Mother, please, you must help me now.
I can't do anything. And besides, your father will not listen.
But I can't let her go. I can never let my father have her. Never.
Son, the only thing I can tell you is to stand firm. Fight for your love. I couldn't fight for mine. And that is one thing I will regret for the rest of my life. I trust you, son. I know that you will change everything when you become king. Fight. Don't give up, okay?
Thank you, Mama.
It's okay.
I'll be strong for us.
Please.
I take back my commitment.
Look at her. She's making yanga because she's the chosen one for the Ichuri. Even if the Igwe chooses her and changes her status, it will change the fact that she's that poor Omereberechi with no background. Of course.
What did you just say?
Who chose me? Oh, is she rejecting the offer? Stop pretending as if you don't know you are the one chosen for the next Ichuri. No. No. No.
No! No!
Wait. Maybe she's not aware yet. But they're only trying to give her a better future. So she should be grateful. Does she have a choice? Please, let's go.
Father!
What?
Is it true?
What? My daughter, just calm down. This should be a thing of joy. Because finally, nobody in this entire community will call you slave or mock you anymore. Just calm down.
So it's true.
My daughter, calm down.
So it's true.
This should be a thing of joy.
No,
calm down. Calm down. You just have to make up your mind and stop crying. Very soon, myself, your mother and your sisters will be visiting you. Just make up your mind. You'll be going to the shrine for cleansing and ritual rites.
Papa, no. Papa, no. No.
Where are you coming from? Why are you so excited? My sister, I am so happy. I came with good news.
Tell me.
Who says I will not possess my possession?
Ego.
Who said that?
Tell me, what happened?
Aba, my sister. Omerebere has been chosen for the next Ichuri. Who told you that? Look at this one. This is everywhere. Chai! Chiwo is everywhere. Let me tell you. My sister, the prince is mine now. There will be nobody to contend with me.
Yes, so nobody.
No, Omerenjo. I'm so happy. Just look at me.
Show me.
Prince, my sister, I am so happy. Hey, Omerenjo. Finally.
I told you. And it has happened.
Look at it.
Give it to them.
My sister. You see, Diego Mabori. So you are here crying while we have empty pots, right? You see why I don't like this girl. So you have been sitting here crying when you have an opportunity to be free. This girl is too foolish for my liking. What kind of a stupid girl is this one? I am so happy because she won't be able to go close to the prince anymore. And I will have the prince all to myself.
Bia. Have you warmed the soup?
Soup. Hey! So, you managed to sweep the compound, and you couldn't clear these things. Clear these things. Really? Oh, so you are waiting for your late mother or father to clear these things, right? Stupid girl.
Will you get up and clear this thing? And she's still crying.
Before I open my eyes and close it, you have packed these things and disappear with your useless body out of this place. Remove your slave cell from this area. Okanya? Eh?
Look at her. Nyala.
Okay, let's see.
Chikezie, what is it? Why are you shouting my name like a madman?
Like a madman? Yes, I'm mad. Because I am the only madman that can scream alone like that.
So what do you want? I told you call yourself a prince. A prince that cannot do anything. So wait. So you have power but you cannot act. Eh? You call yourself a prince. Because you cannot save the one you love. The only woman you claim you love, you cannot save her. And she being thrown around like a mere object. Eh? So I thought you said you stand for integrity.
Chikeze, I don't believe in violence, okay?
No problem. I believe in violence. I believe, yes, I do. If you cannot do it, I will do it. I will do it. I will prove to you or anybody that I can do it. I will save her. I will take the bull by the horn.
You may leave now, Chike. Chikeze, you can leave.
Watch your tongue. Dog likes water, but not when the water is hot. You can leave. The princess should leave.
Leave now, Chikeze.
No problem. I will do it. I will do it. You see, I will prove to her that I deserve her more, not you.
You're my friend.
My prince. You call my prince.
Leave now.
Calm down. Don't worry. You must say it.
Let's go.
No stress.
Let's go. Let him be.
Father, you have to scatter the whole arrangement. You have to, because I will not allow it to happen.
What are you talking about? Why is it that whenever you want to talk to your father, you always want to show your muscles? Can't you talk like a sensible human being? Eh? What is it this time?
Father, it's about the Igwe's arrangement of picking Obiago for the next Ichi. Father, there are so many maidens he can pick from. Why Obiago?
How is that your problem?
Father, because I want to make her my woman.
It's not possible. Except you want Obiago to transfer her stigma to you.
But I don't care.
You don't care?
But I don't care.
You see, that's why I said you're not sensible. It's only a fool that treads where the gods fear to death. Look at it. You said you're not interested. You don't care. This is the opening we've been looking for. And all I want to tell you is that I don't want to go to war with Igwe. I don't want to have a problem with him.
Father, let me ask you something. Why are you always afraid of Igwe? Father, he is a human being. When you shut up, Father, he's a human being.
Shut up and stop spilling rubbish. Me, afraid of the Igwe, my own brother. But son, I want you to understand this. This is an advantage to us. This is the opening we've been looking for.
How?
Now, this fight is not your fight. Now, listen. I learned that the prince is also interested in this maiden. So what I want you to do is to encourage the prince to go to war with his father. By so doing, his father will banish him. Then you will be next in line. Don't you see it this way? That is what I want you to understand. So go ahead and encourage him.
Please, you have to do something. Please help me.
It's okay. Nobody will take you away from me. We're together in this. Okay? I will fight for you. Come here.
Mazi Akancha, I'm sure you are aware of the new development. But I decided to call you here so that I can tell you officially. You know that Ndibana say, when a man and a woman agree on something, then they can both sleep on the mat peacefully. You know there are many leaves in the bush. But people usually go to pick the okazi leaf because of its special nature, isn't it? There is always a reason why your slave is picked. To give a new dawn to the family and then better the life of the ones that the miserable parents left behind. Ugodia, come. These are cowries. I want you to go to the market and buy materials, very good materials, befitting ones for Merebere. And this is money to buy things that you use to prepare her. Prepare her where, you know, the Igwe likes good taste. Igwe has a good taste. So prepare her so that you present her before me in a fortnight. You live like Igwe.
May you live long, Igwe. Thank you very much. You go there, can't you? Please prepare her well. Thank you very much.
Your Highness, no further. You have to stop this right now. You must stop!
And who are you to order me to stop what I am doing?
I speak for my people. This has to stop.
Oh, really?
Yes.
You now have a people? You have grown wings, son, to order me around to stop? But very soon, I will cut those wings off. Very soon. Stop me again, man.
You have to stop it.
Guards!
Your Highness.
Take him away.
This is the least you can do. Come with us. They throw me away, but I will come back for you. I must stop this act. It must be abolished. I promise you, I will stop it.
Omenibere will be needed in 2 days' time in the shrine for the first phase of the cleansing.
Ezema, thank you very much, Ezema. We will do exactly as you said.
Abama, my sister. Hey, what is it? Don't worry. I'll tell you.
Do you know that Ezemo was here in our absence? He said that Emerebe will need to be at the shrine for the first step of cleansing. Really? Yes, so. This is just a clear confirmation that she has been choosing to be the next issue. Finally, I am so happy. I am so happy. But mother said she protested with Ezemo. Protested? That she cannot be Igwe's concubine. Who is she? This is just the beginning. That daughter of mom. Don't worry, we'll see the end. Who is she? That slave. But let me tell you, I am so happy. I know where you are going. I'm so happy. I know you. Because now, I will renew my steps.
That is why you are my sister. Make his heart beat for me alone.
Cool, Eda. Let me quickly fill this orange for you. You need it.
Please hurry up.
Something sweet.
Hurry up. You need something sweet, my sister.
My son, the truth does not run in the daytime.
Noko, a young man that is presumed foolish simply because he still stays in his father's house may not be stupid or foolish after all.
Guys, true talk, my son.
I need your help. I need you to guide me. I need advice now.
My father wants to take my woman. And I can't bear it. That will never happen. History is about to repeat itself again. But this time, victory shall be ours. Victory shall be ours. But what do I do? In 7 days' time, my son. Come with Omerebere. I have something to give to both of you.
Is that all?
Yes, my son.
Nuku. Thank you.
You may go now.
Okay.
You see, alive? You see? I told you. But you wouldn't listen. See, where is the prince? Where is the prince to save you? He cannot save you. I told you, he is not man enough. I told you, Ikem is not man enough. Accept me, your life will change. You refuse. You see your life now? Can you imagine? Hi. It could have been better if you gave me the chance. Can you imagine? Emotionally depressed. But no problem. There's still a chance. There's still space in my heart. You can call me if you want to. I will accept you. I'm a good man. I'll forgive you immediately. I can still forgive you. But if you're walking out of me, no problem. Think about it. Think about it. I said think about it. You are free to come anytime you want. Huh? I will give you a better life. I told you. Leave place. Ikem is not a man. Think about it. Okay?
Who goes there?
It's me, Ugebe.
Ego. What brings you here?
I have been watching you for some time now and seeing how depressed you are. Obi, let me drown in your sorrow. Let me erase your anxiety.
Stop it! Your body does not move me. Stop it! Leave now!
Prince.
You must leave now. Leave!
I want to.
Mazakancha, please. I don't want my father to have her as his Ichiri concubine. I want you to please advise him advising against it.
Why? Any reasons?
Because my heart is given to Omereberechi.
My son, as it is, my hands are tied in this situation. I must say, you know who your father is. No one goes against his wish. Nobody, not even you, can utter it. As it is, he has already made this decision, and that decision seems final to me.
No, Mazakancha, I am desperate now. I need you to help me.
Well, the only help I can render is to suggest my daughters to you. You can see they are very beautiful, good looking. You can choose any of them.
Mazi, I know your daughters are pretty. They are beautiful damsels. But my heart is already given to Omereberechi. What do I do?
Well, sorry to say, my son, I cannot render the help you are looking for. Sorry. Mazi, I cannot render that very help you are looking for. And I will not.
Except I marry your daughter.
Yes.
Ah, what a culture. What a tradition. We'll slug it out.
This one you're seated here alone. What is the problem? Why are you looking so sad?
I'm not happy.
Tell me, what happened?
It is obvious I'm about to lose the prince.
Why would you say that?
He doesn't like me. He doesn't even look at me. He is willing to die for Meribere.
Ego, stop worrying yourself over nothing. Omeribere is already the chosen one, and there is nothing Prince Ikem can do to reverse it.
Ikem is not giving up on her.
He has no choice as far as the Igwe is concerned. Ego, you should be happy. The only stumbling block you have to Prince Ikem is Omeribere, and she's already out of the way. Smile. You have nothing to worry about.
I am scared.
You have nothing to be afraid of. You have nothing to worry about. Relax. Stop being sad. Now my fine sister. Oh, Malija.
Omeribere! Omeribere!
Chai! Omeribere! Escape! Haru! We shall see.
Igwe!
Young woman, what is it?
May you live long. Igwe, Omeribere, the chosen one, for the next Ichiri, has just escaped.
What? How? Where did she go?
I don't know where she went to, but she has not gone far.
Guards!
Your Highness. Your Highness.
Go and search for her. Check everywhere in this community. Make sure you bring her back to this palace.
Yes,
go now.
Okay, Your Highness.
Where is it here? How come? Make sure you bring her back to this palace.
Please, have mercy, Igwe. Blame it on me. It happens as a result of my carelessness.
Allowed me to send her to the evil forest, where wild animals would have devoured her. You know how to run? You would have been devoured. How dare you run away from Igwe Opota of Ugebe? Where is it done?
Please, Igwe, temper justice with mercy. I swear, I assure you, it will not happen again.
Father, please. For my sake, please. Forgive her. I plead.
You shouldn't be involved in this.
I'm begging, Daddy. I'm begging, Father. Please, Father. I'm begging. Please, Your Highness.
Well, she's forgiven.
Oh.
But the next time she tries that, she will not be let off the hook.
Thank you, Papa.
My prince. Thank you very much.
My prince.
Yes.
Why are you taking me to?
You may leave us now. My prince, go back to the palace. I hope you'll be fine. You'll be very fine. Just do as I said. Yes, ma'am. Go. Don't you trust me anymore?
I do. But where are you taking me to?
Anyway, Neoku said I should come with you.
Okay.
Let's go.
What? Neoku.
Mama. Mama, are you serious?
Yes. That is the only way out. Consummate your love. Do as I say. Take the bull by the horn.
Neoku has said it.
No,
you can't escape it.
Where are you coming from?
I followed them.
She followed who?
Ikem and Umeribiri.
See, Prince Ikem came to our house earlier and he decided to take Umeribiri with him. So I followed them to find out where he was taking her to. So, did you find out the place?
I did.
he took her to Ineuku's place. Though, I don't know why he took her there. Omerebere! You're seriously looking for my trouble. I will so deal with you, you daughter of no man. You slave! But you should have stayed back and know what took them there. You should have come back here. That is not necessary. Don't be bothered. At least I know where they are now. In case anything comes up, Calm down. You are always worried. Don't worry. Come, let's go back home. I will deal with that. Don't worry. Just be happy I fished them out. She will come back to the house. She will come back and
you know you are the apple of my eye. No matter where you go, my heart will follow you. My life is worthless without your love. Oh, I will swim the deepest river, climb the highest mountain. There is nothing I won't do for you. I will swim the deepest river, climb the highest mountain. There is nothing I won't do for you.
To another soul by a little soul, really a glimpse of the sunrise. So this minute can give a life to that which is time.
Igwe. Keje mareze. Keje mareze mo, keje mareze. Keje mareze. Keje mareze mo, keje mareze.
summoned you all here from far and near because of the dream I already explained to you. Interpret this dream and you will be rewarded bountifully. Failure to interpret this dream will mean that you are useless to this community and hence we rule.
Igwe. No, you need speak to me. Igwe, I'm sorry. I cannot interpret the dream.
What? Take him away, God.
Igwe, take him.
Next.
Igwe!
Take out!
I cannot interpret.
Take out!
I try!
You are the youngest of all, and I believe you should have some sense in you. Interpret this dream!
To what do I owe this visit to you?
Only a little soul shall save a soul tied to another. Says the new prophecy. A soul is tied to another by a little soul. Only a glimpse of sunrise can give life to that soul tied to another.
Yes. Yes, wise one. I have searched far and wide for someone to interpret this to me. But no one has been able to prove his or her metal. Help me, wise one. I am in a serious dilemma. I am confused and downcast.
None shall know the future. It is sealed till the day it unfolds.
Sealed? Unfold? I don't understand, wise one.
Igopota! It is not meant for you to understand. Till the day it unfolds.
I am lost, wise one. Help me. What do I do now?
The only thing you owe the gods is to have a pure heart. Do not oppress the poor and be good to everyone.
Just that? Then it is done! It is done!
Igwapota! The ways of men are different from the ways of the gods. Be warned! Be warned, Igwapota! Be warned, Igwapota! Igwapota! Be warned!
Ifunanya silobi kalili fenine ifunanya silike ifunanya.
Welcome.
Thank you, my son.
You're welcome.
how are you? Did he treat you well? And did you enjoy it? Hey! Odogu nwoke! Nwoke Jejemba. The gods will always be with you.
It's
You have proven to be a man.
Thank you, Nyoku. Thank you for the opportunity. I feel less burdened now. At least I know she belongs to me. All mine now.
Good. You are welcome, my son.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
Nyoku, we must be on our way now.
Okay.
I promise Mazi Akancha that I will not keep her late. So I would like to keep to my promise.
Good. Ijoma.
Thank you, Nyoku.
Ijoma Wampo. Thank you. Ijoma.
Thank you.
Mama. May the gods continue to guide you.
Bring her.
Ugebe! Ugebe!
Now we are coming.
Is there any other way we can?
Let's go.
Come on! Catch her! Catch her!
Tell them to take it easy with her.
Drag her, let's go.
Okay, please, that drag I did not agree. I don't accept that.
Oborachanko Sacha, Oborachadi Kenanya. Oborachadi Kenanya. Oborachanko Sacha, Oborachadi Kenanya.
Take it easy with her. Let them stop dragging her.
Father, please don't do this to me. Please let me have her, Father. Please, I beg of you.
It's too late, son. I cannot reverse it.
But you are the king, Father. You can change it if you wish. You can decree it now.
Maybe now the people are already there.
Ekenemunu. Yeah. Ekenemunu. Yeah. Ekenemunu. Yeah. Ekenemunu. Yeah. Igwe. Who will be fun? Yeah. Who will be fun? Yeah. First one.
Igwe, it is done.
Adoma.
It's not the end of the world. It's okay. You have to go in and rest. Okay? It's okay.
What is wrong between the Igwe and the prince?
I don't know. I have no clue.
I'm suspecting that we will. You know he likes women a lot.
There is nothing in my face. So I don't know what you're talking about. I beg.
I feel sorry for Meliberi. She's being forced against her wish. And I even heard that the prince has an eye on her.
That is her business. She better grab this opportunity.
Poor Meliberi. Huh? She has known bitterness all her life.
That is her destiny. A slave will always be a slave, no matter what. I'm wicked. I beg, get out. Me, I'm wicked. How am I wicked?
Chikeze, my man. How are you?
I'm good.
Where are you going to?
I'm going to check my trap.
But you're supposed to be at the palace at this point.
What is happening in the palace?
Don't tell me that you are not aware that the Igwe has chosen another concubine from this village for this year each year.
Another concubine?
Yes, of course.
Don't tell me it's not Ominebere.
Of course she's the one. What is it? Chikeze. Chikeze.
Oyom, come inside with me.
My king, please wait.
What is it?
I'm not feeling fine. The stress of today is too much on me. Please. Allow me for today. I promise to make it up to you tomorrow.
My beautiful angel, that's all I need to handle you well today, so that you'll be fit for tomorrow.
Please, my king. My king, please.
Come on.
No! No! No, Papa!
Come.
I hope he didn't touch you.
No. But he tried. I talked myself out. I don't know what's going to happen this night.
Son, she is now my woman. Baby, get inside. Now!
You have to be careful. Okay,
What are you still doing here? I asked you to go inside. How dare you?
Please, my king.
How dare you match me against my son? The next time you try that, I will send you to the evil forest and get you devoured by wild animals.
Your Highness, please forgive her. She's only but a child that washes from her belly. Blame it on me for not teaching her the right path of this noble family. I promise my king I'll put her on the right path.
You had better do that.
Yes,
else you will not escape my wrath next time.
Yes, Your Highness.
Leave us. Stop. Come in. You are my concubine. Let's go inside so I can forgive you properly.
My king, please.
Come on, let's go inside.
No, my
Let's go.
king, no.
What is it? Your Highness! Your Highness! Your Highness! What is it? Your Highness! Your Highness!
Mama, what is chasing you? What is it?
Abandon my sister. The worst has happened. How do you mean? That evil child has killed our Ugebe. Who are you talking about? Oh, Mary, of course. She's an evil child now. She has killed our Ugebe. As I speak to you now, everybody is gathering at the palace.
Where is it, Nam? Nam! Hey! Nam, Nam!
Onoribere killed our Igwe. I don't understand.
Ego!
My love, you have to stop crying. Okay? I told you we're into this together. We're together in it.
How much time do I have left in this world? I want to die.
Oh, come on. Stop talking like this. See, I'm here to protect you. I'm here to make sure nothing happens to you. To protect our love. Nothing will happen to you. Okay? Stop crying, my love. Okay? Stop, okay? Stop. Stop crying. Okay?
The Ezemo is confusing us. If he's always drunk, this is not the time to practice his tomfoolery. Honestly.
Let's wait for him to come out, okay? He's getting out of hand. Let's hear from him first.
The king is still alive, but unconscious. He told does not run in the daytime for nothing. The stream does not swallow anyone he has no contact with his legs. The only remedy for this situation is for the culprit to be sent to the evil forest.
No. No! That's not going to happen.
Ikem,
They said you have been drinking.
Ikem, you don't have to challenge.
Well, you said you have been drinking. I heard you say it.
Our head is full of worries, my friend.
What is it? SMO wants to banish Omerebere. Please help me. I'm finished.
Gods of our land, this is too much. This task is too hard. Please have mercy. Please have mercy. My son, you have to be strong. Don't give up. You have to give her all the support that she needs. She is innocent. Yes. Don't ever abandon her. She needs you by her side, my son. Soon, everything will be fine. Go, my son. Go. She needs you by her side. Go. Gods of our land, please have mercy.
Is there no other way to revive my father, Ezemo? Must she be sent to the evil forest before he's revived?
Yes, Ikem. That is the only antidote to wake him up. She has to be sacrificed to the gods before he will wake up.
You must help me, Ezemo. There should be a way to reverse it. I mean, there should be, you can do something about it. Only you.
Ikem, there is no other way. You have to go home and pronounce the judgment. In 2 days, I will send her into the evil forest.
I won't do that. As a matter of fact, I will not do it.
Ikem, how many times have I called you? Where one falls is where his chi pushes him. Go and act fast.
Ezemo, I hate proverbs. Me, I'm not going. Mama, I'm shattered. Mama, I'm disheveled. It's like the whole world is on me, Mama. Mother, where do I go from here? What did I do wrong?
Son, you have to be strong. Be strong for your woman. If you are this shattered, what do you want her to do?
Then what do I do? How do I go about this? Mama, I don't know what to do.
Whatever decision you make, just know that your mother here is 100% behind you. Okay?
Really? Oh, thank you, Mama.
It's okay, so you have to be strong.
Thank you, Mama. I'm strong already.
It's okay.
What will I do now to save my love? Everyone is against her. Ezemo and the elders believe that her death was erode the Igwe. How true is that? My father has been lying lifeless for 2 days now. Gods of our land, please come to my aid. This cross is too much for me. It bleeds my heart to see the people I care for so much suffer. Help me. Help me.
My elders, I please want us to tamper justice with mercy and look for ways to settle this whole situation.
My fellow Ulichia, please, let us listen to our song. Our people say that where one's wealth is, that is where his heart belongs.
This is unheard of. Obiago, I don't believe you're saying this. This is the only remedy for us to avoid the way, and you're here talking about justice for a mere medic.
My prince, if you continue being soft to that slave girl, we will strip you of your priesthood and then banish you with her. Huh? We must follow the traditions of our forefathers.
Make use of your head, my son. Don't let emotion becloud your sense of judgment. She committed abomination, so she be treated accordingly. Or don't you want your father to wake up?
All I'm asking is that we find other ways to resolve this situation, so we do not kill an innocent blood. Of course we will regret it.
Which innocent blood? Which innocent blood are you talking about? This is the only option. We are not exploring anything. She must be thrown inside the evil forest. We can decide to go with her and live there for all we care. We must follow the traditions of our forefathers. Although, we will not take this thing lightly like he's trying to persuade us.
You're right.
This is the tradition of our forefathers.
You will soon become the prince of this kingdom, while I'll become the Igwe. Our dreams, our plans are working out.
Papa, it's not true. What happens to Pesikem?
Don't mind that fool. Look, his foolishness will make him lose that throne. He's blinded by wealth. And look, my son, the elders have planned on overthrowing him if he does not pass judgment on that slave girl.
Guess what? Don't see him doing that soon. So, very soon you will become the prince while I become the Igwe of Ugebe kingdom. Don't look happy. You look happy that you become prince?
This kingdom.
Chike,
please, not
Chike,
now.
Please. Not now, Chike, please.
I beg of you. Not now. I beg you.
Please, not now. Please.
The priest said not now. You heard him well.
Oh no. I used to go no crazy. We wait till for this reason, we are solidly behind you. I say,
Oh no. You are the next in line. The gods have blessed you in disguise.
No.
Our people used to say that. I'm delighted to have you all as my friend.
Yes.
And I'm happy you're solidly behind me.
Yeah. Ugebe, carry on. May the gods bless your reign.
This is my friend.
Good day, my people. How are you?
I heard soon he will cease to be the prince if he does not pronounce judgment on Omelebere.
Obiago, how sure are you?
My father told me so. He said the elders agreed on that.
They agreed?
Yes.
Wait. So, who will now replace the prince? Hey, are you still asking? Eh? You don't even know. My sweet Chikeze, of course, and I will be the queen of this kingdom. Wait, you mean that arrogant Chikeze will be the prince of this kingdom? That alone will spell doom on this kingdom. He's not that bad. My Chikeze is going to rule this kingdom very well. Okay. And that I know. My Chikeze will rule this community. I weep for my Come, kingdom. Let's go.
Hero, how are you? Come. Stop the food. The food. Stop here. You're welcome.
Thank you, my friend.
Join us. Open the food. That's good.
I'll call it karma. She thinks she will steal my love away.
Tell me, what are you going to do now?
I will go to the prince now that he is emotionally down. And I will offer to be his friend. And by so doing, I'll make him fall in love with me. And boom! He will banish Omeribere. Because he will not want to lose his throne.
That is not possible. Because my Chikeze is the new prince of this kingdom. Not that your arrogant prince.
That's a lie. Not when I'm by his side consoling him. The throne is his.
You lie. Chikeze is the new prince of this kingdom.
Shut up! What are you saying? Don't tell me to shut up. Don't tell me to shut up again. What is wrong with you and that your arrogant prince? What did you call him? Arrogant prince. You're stupid. You're mad. I will kill
you. Enough of that. So, you guys are here quarreling over someone who doesn't know that both of you exist. Instead of you to be sympathizing with your sister, who will soon be banished from this kingdom.
Father, she's not my sister.
John, is she your sister? She's not my sister. She can never be.
Yes, who says so?
She's not my sister.
Oh yeah! Get out of this place. Out of here.
Papa.
Before I lose myself, get out of this place. Nonsense.
Stupid slave girl.
She's not a slave. Nonsense. Nonsense. Look at you. Instead of you to plan your life, we are here discussing nonsense.
Obi, the man after my heart, I am here for you, to love and to cherish you. Please forget about Omeribere. She almost killed your father and shouldn't be allowed to live.
I will only spare your life because I'm praying for a blessing from the gods. So my hands are not supposed to be stained with blood. If not, you won't have escaped this. I will have killed you. But mind you, next time, you will not survive this. Talk about Mary. Now go.
Thank you.
Go.
Thank you. Thank you, my prince.
Stop crying. You'll be fine. I told you I'll be by your side. I'm here. Let's see how they banish you.
What is it? Release the girl. She must be sent to the evil forest.
That will be over my dead body. Nobody touches her.
Watch your tongue, son. She must be banished today. That will not happen. Not be.
We said no. My brother is innocent. Chikezi? She's innocent.
You may leave now.
Very well. We shall save.
Leave, Ezemo. Leave! That's very thoughtful of you. Thank you very much. You see? You have to join us now. We'll weather this storm.
Stop now! Stop! You're a useless son! You're a useless son! I regret getting you as a son! Now that things are falling into place, you want to mess it up with your foolishness! Chikezi, what's wrong with you? I'm sorry to disappoint you, Father. Father, I stand for the truth. I stand for the truth. Father, the hard judgment passed on that girl is uncalled for. It's unacceptable. Chikezi, who are you to question the gods? Who are you, Chikezi? Father, how do you know the gods are involved in this? How? Son, listen. Whether the gods are involved or not, the most important thing is that this is the opportunity we've been looking to have the truth. Father, I'm sorry to disappoint you. Sorry. I stand for the truth. I have said it before and I will say it again. Father, I am not interested on the throne. I am not. Father, I cannot betray my friend. I cannot. Who's talking about betrayal here? Father, yes, I know we fight every day. I know, but Father, I still have his interest at heart. I cannot do it. Chikeze, I can see you are a stupid son. Very foolish. I wish your mother was alive to see how stupid and foolish you are with this your coconut head. Huh? She also has to be alive she should be alive to explain where she came about your pregnancy. Because I'm not sure you are my son. I'm not sure you're my son. I wonder how you came into this family.
Up till now, there is no positive result about Igwe and Prince Ikem. I don't know what is really going on. This is all a mystery. I wonder what Ezemo is doing. I wonder! Because he is the only person to help us out of this situation. But he's not doing anything.
I am not talking about the Ezemo. I am thinking about Umeribiri. She is the cause of all these problems. She must be caught. And when she is found, I want our people to punish her.
Where would they see her? Where would they find her? Where? I'm sure she must have run away from this kingdom. But for me, Moa, if I get her, I'll kill her myself. Because she wants to take the prince away from me.
You're right, oh.
I want to kill her.
You're right. She must have gone really far.
No, she cannot escape me.
May the gods of our land save us from all these problems.
I don't want to lose my prince, that's all.
Bade fini kponsi makana mafo ade ebu awo na okporo akase buru nso na efe lijiji mama atunkwe ikponsi kari aka.
You know the truth, Ezemo.
You again?
The gods are angry with you, Ezemo. Soon you will be exposed.
Leave my abode.
Leave my abode before I turn you into an object. Now!
I have delivered my message. Good day, Ezemo. Good day.
Now leave.
Tell them the truth, Ezemo. Ezemo, tell them the truth. Tell them the truth, Ezemo. Tell them the truth.
I told you we're in this together. I'll go all the way with you, okay? Don't worry. Nothing will happen to you. Okay?
Untie her.
What? Nobody unties her here.
Untie her!
Nobody's untying her here.
It's okay.
Untie her.
Take her. Let's go.
This is not what Ezemo told us. And we are not seeing any changes.
Oh.
How can Ugebe be without a king and a prince? Never! Never! This can't be happening. Omerebe is banished and the king is not revived after 7 days. I think Ezemo owes Ugebe an explanation.
Yes.
No, right. I agree with you. Because
you have told us some certain
the other day he came and just living without a word. And now the king, we just have to calm down and think out something. Because we can't just sit back and allow a kingdom to stay in disarray. We must think out something. Oh no, that is why I said that Ezemo owes Ugebe an explanation.
Exactly.
Of course, exactly.
Eke, Ori, Afọ, Nkwọ, ụbọchị 4 dị n'elu ụwa. O ji akụ ya bịa nye nchi na nchi agharị enu.
Yes. Ezemo, what is happening? Ominebere has been banished and nothing has changed. Ugebe and his son are still lying lifelessly. Ugebe is without a king and the prince. Ezemo will need explanation.
My son, he who walks before the guidance of the gods will have to run a race of his life. Patience is a virtue. The king will soon rise
he will be the most powerful and the strongest when he wakes.
How long has the prince been in this condition?
Since the day Ezemo forcefully took Omerebere away.
Hello. Hey! Gods of our ancestors, where have we got it wrong? What have we done wrong?
Oh no, there's a lot to this girl.
Please, leave us now.
There's a lot to this girl. We need to come.
Oh, Father! She deserves to die.
No. No! You got what you deserve. Leave my way, else I will kill both of you. No!
You will not kill her. If you kill her, I will not be able to return to Mother Earth.
And at the same time, she has the seed, the only seed that can revive us back to Mother Earth. So you spare her, you spare our life.
No, she deserves to die.
You spare her!
My prince! My prince! My prince!
No. Are you sure that there isn't more will be here? What is still keeping him?
Is that question supposed to be for me or for the gods?
Of course, you. After the king, you are the unknown. You're supposed to
Let
answer.
us be patient a little bit.
Patient
Here we
or
come.
not, why will you be
For
patient?
how long?
Ask
For how long can we be patient?
They must ask
For how long will we be waiting?
Wait,
Patient is timeless.
The Igbo is not doing well. Why is Ezemo not here yet?
Ezemo is on his way. He's coming.
Keje Marese. Keje Marese mo. Keje Marese. Keje Marese. Keje Marese mo. Keje Marese.
Elders of Umele. Lolo.
Ezemo.
With the whole of you. The king will rise at the first cock crow tomorrow. There's no need to panic. It is settled. Gods have smiled on us.
May the gods be praised. May the gods be praised. May the gods be praised. There is no need to panic.
What do I do now? What have I done, gods of our land? Why have thou abandoned me? What will happen if the king fails to wake up tomorrow morning? Why has my power failed me? Why didn't I listen? Now, see what my greediness has cost me. Anyway, when the bird learns to fly without perching, the hunter shoots non-stop. There has to be a way out.
No, I know you would like the palm wine and I will order from the temple. With the bush meat, garnish with
This year, they says, if a woman decides to make the soup watering, the husband will learn how to dent the fufu before dipping it into the soup. Drastic times requires drastic measures. This year, I cannot watch Ugebe and my best friend end up this way. 2 weeks ago, Ezemo told us that the Ugebe will wake up if Omelebere is banished. Then what happened? Instead, the sun joined him in his vegetative state.
The Ezemo just left and he promised us that the Igwe will be made whole by the time cock crows are done. What are you talking about?
Yes. Ndichie, do not be deceived. We are marching down to the shrine
Yes.
Ezemo must tell us the truth.
Chikeze, you do not such thing. What's your position in this kingdom to take such action against the Ezemo of Ugebe kingdom? Elders, will you all stand here and allow this boy take action against the Ezemo of Ugebe kingdom? Going nowhere.
This is for the youth, not for we the elders. That's where we used to go.
Chikeze, come back here.
Let them go.
Chikeze,
let them go.
Akanta, come back in our kingdom. Akanta, come back in our kingdom. Who is Chikeze in this kingdom?
It's for the youth, not for the
no. Who is he in this kingdom? That will take action against Ezemo. That is.
That means he ran away.
Yes.
Let's go and fight for him.
Let's go.
Ezemo, you are the person. So you're running away after messing up.
That is not true, my son. I am traveling to my maternal home to get medicine for the king.
You lie. You are going nowhere. Boys, take him to the palace.
Hold on. So long as you do not want me to go and get more medicine for the king, I will go with you.
Take him!
Elders of Ugebe, please forgive me. It was the fault of Ugebe. He was the one who deceived me into this. History was not supposed to be celebrated this way. It was meant to bridge the gap between the poor and the rich. It was not meant to take advantage of the poor. Hey, Ugebe, you have killed me. It was because of his promiscuous lifestyle that led him into this. Please, elders, since he convinced me into his evil plans, the gods, yes, the gods stopped communicating with me. Please, forgive me.
Ezemo,
Look at what my greediness has left me into.
Ezemo, you are a disgrace to this land. If they permit me, I will just kill you alive.
Allow him to talk.
Okay, let him talk. Give me permission, let me just devour this man.
Imagine what he has done.
Allow him speak. Let him talk.
Allow him talk, they talk. Please forgive me.
I can't believe that Ezemo has been deceiving us. How could he be so heartless? I'm still astonished. Very, very much astonished. Now tell me, what will Ugebe do now? No king, no prince. Ugebe is banished unjustly. Take it easy. I am doomed. Take it easy. It has not gotten to that, okay? When will it get to that? Huh? Nemesis. Nemesis, oh! Nemesis has caught up with Ugebe. It's okay. Ugebe, where are you? Because Meziane Belen. Hi.
Elders of Ugebe Kingdom. As we can all see, our king is incapacitated. And the throne has been empty all this while. Someone has to sit on this throne. And as you all know, I am the next in line. What do you have to say?
Oh no, I can't believe you are the one saying this.
What are you saying?
It baffles me to hear Ono voice this out.
For how long are we going to stay like this without someone sitting on the throne? He has every right to sit on the throne.
Yes. Akanja, look, you have to be very careful. The throne is my right. And no one can stop me. No one. Not even you, Akanta.
Oh no. I will never allow you sit on this throne. Never. Never.
Akanta, he deserves it. He is the second to the king. Or do we have interest on this throne? Let us know.
Oh no. I can sense something is missing.
Nothing is missing. The only thing that is missing here is that we don't have a king here. And I will take over the throne. I am sitting on the throne now.
Sit on it. Oh no. Remember, this is Gebogidi.
Akanta, stop me if you can. Stop me.
Oh no, we'll sit down.
Stop me. Akanta, back I am out.
Sit on the throne.
Elders of our land, I am now the king of Ugebe kingdom.
Oh no, sit on the throne. Oh no, sit on the throne. Hey!
Akancha.
Oh no, sit on the throne.
Hey!
What is happening in Ugebe? Since Omerebe was banished, nobody is safe. Even the Ezemo, who could believe that Ezemo of all people has been deceiving us?
Oh. Now, we don't have any Igwe. 2 men from the royal family are bedridden. Who did this to us?
Our land needs cleansing. Calamity has befallen us. Who will redeem us now? May the gods of our land have mercy on us all
and take away this calamity.
You were son of Mao. Obi-Wan Nesiwo. You were son of Mao. Obi-Wan Nesiwo. You were son of Mao. Obi-Wan Nesiwo. Nna botara no boseke ka dulese wesi ke penu ko ya na foda nko kesi wede. I wele tanya wo ni iwe so no no ma. Iwe so no ma o. Obi-Wan Nesiwo. Who knows how water entered into the stalk of a pumpkin? Those who defecate at night sees the close grasshopper. I can see a name that is written here. Omerebe. Who is Omerebe? You were son of Mao. Obi-Wan Nesiwo. Look for her. Only her seed can redeem this land. Anu. You were son of Mao. Obi-Wan Nesiwo.
Stop right there. No one should touch him, okay?
Please.
My good friend, it's unfortunate you are in this condition. I am very sorry for my actions. I know you are a good man. I know you have good intention for this kingdom.
I am very sorry. First thing tomorrow morning, I will go to the evil forest and search for your love and search for your Obiago. And I promise you, I will bring her back to you. Be strong.
The prince has heard you. You can take your leave.
Search everywhere. Obiago! Obiago!
Are you sure you can continue on this journey?
I have a little information if I may clear your head. Yes, come with me.
Nnukwu.
And to what do I owe these visits?
Nnukwu, I am not worthy to be before you. Neither any of us is. Nnukwu, we have abandoned you for many years. Please, we are truly sorry. Please, show us Obiago. Please.
There she is. You can get her.
Oh.
Where am I going?
My daughter, it is okay. The battle is over. Yes, the battle is over.
What are you doing? Are you still crying? You have to stop. You have to be strong. My son will want you to be strong. If I know my son very well, what he will want from the woman he loves is to be strong for him. Ifem, if I should advise you, my dear, what you should do is to go and sit by his side. Speak words that will bring him back. What you should be doing and not crying. Okay? Speak. Talk to my son and bring him back. Stop crying. Be strong. Be strong. Okay? My love, my heart will. The only one that makes my heart beat fast. Look at what they have done to you. Just look at what they have done to you. Please, don't abandon me. I can't live without you. This life is meaningless without you. It's okay. Please come back to me. It's okay, dear. I know he has heard you. He heard you. It's okay. Stop crying. You will be fine.
Are you still like this? You can't continue like this. You have to eat something. You can't starve yourself to death. Please, eat something. As long as the prince is in that state, I will not eat, not drink anything. You can't continue like this. The prince would not like to see you like this. My son would like to see the one he loves strong. You have to be strong for him. Mother, he has to be okay for me. I need him by my side. You have to be strong. I'll get you so you can eat something. Get up and eat something. Kwanegwa mama kwanegwa mama gadi mwanya dia kankanegwa mama kwanegwa mama.
Please, tell us, what is wrong with her?
May the name of the gods be praised. They have finally remembered us. Soon, the prophecy will be fulfilled. A little soul will soon be here to redeem the land in few months' time. An heir to the throne. Oh, Kwanegwa mama.
Please wake up. I forgive you. I forgave you long time ago. Let's go back to the way we were before. Or you acted in ignorance. The laws that your forefather made because of their selfish reasons. To satisfy their selfish interests. I forgive you. Come back for me.
Princess, please, I can't allow you to go and fetch water, not in this condition.
Why? Am I not a human being?
You're my princess.
That is the more reason you should allow me to go and fetch this water. See, I am tired of staying in this palace and being served by mates. See, I'm tired of staying in a particular place and being served by palace maids.
I don't want to lose my job here in the palace. Please.
You will not. Get up. Please get up. You will not.
What is going on here? My queen, where are you going with her for?
My queen, I want to go and fetch water, but She's stopping me.
You can't do that. You are now a princess. You can take the pot away from her.
Oh, my queen. I'm tired of staying indoors.
Look at your condition. You are carrying a child. You can't be fetching water now. There are maidens assigned for that. Okay?
But me, I want to go and stretch my legs.
Okay, let's go in. Let me go and stretch the legs. I'll massage the legs for you, okay? It's okay. You're expecting a child.
I am disturbed. How are we sure that that baby is not Ikem's step, brother?
That also got me thinking.
Yes, got me thinking.
My fellow elders, I believe it takes a woman 9 months to put to bed. And next 2 months will make it the 9th month since the Igwe chose her as his Ichui. Why rushing? Let us wait till then.
Yes. Ikulofuma, let us not rush into conclusion till she is delivered of her baby, which either way, he will remain a royal blood. So let's hope for the best.
Yeah.
Yes.
We should hope for the best.
Yes.
What is it? What is it? Mother! Call the elders. Hold on. Let's go. Breathe. Let's go. You can do it. You can do it. Easy. Push.
May the name of the gods be praised. The prince is here. And the king is saved.